Welcome to the topic series. Today we're going to talk about Wildland firefighters goggles, and specifically the WFIRE goggle from Paulson manufacturing. This goggle, as you can see, looks entirely differently than the previous version. This goggle is designed for wildfire use. It has a lower temperature rating, different strap assembly, and then you'll notice the lens is a toric shape instead of a cylindrical shape like the other products. This toric shape gives advantages for downward vision, and it also has a very soft and comfortable foam facing for use in the field. The elastic strap assembly will fit all of the different types of Wildland helmets as seen here, and in this particular case the Wildland helmet, it comes with the clips, so you can just simply put the goggle underneath the clips that are on the helmet for a secure attachment. For wearing it on your head, you would just adjust the back strap smaller and place the goggle directly on your head and then put the helmet on top. This type of a goggle for wildland firefighting use has many advantages for the people in the field. One is it's very lightweight, extremely well ventilated, well padded here on the face fit, and as I had previously mentioned, excellent peripheral vision.